Welcome to my class. Good morning, students. I hope you are well by the grace of Almighty Allah. We can see in the picture, if it rains, you get wet. If you are a good girl, I will buy you a present. When you buy me a present, I will be a good girl. We can see in the picture. So I am Muhammad Anikul Islam, assistant teacher of Mundumala Girls High School, Tanur Rasai. We can see all the sentences are conditional sentence. Class 9, Unit 11. Let's enjoy a video. Now, could you guess what type of sentences you enjoy from the video clip? We can see that conditional sentence. Now, do you think learning conditional sentence is important in English grammar? If so, let's do some work on it. After the end of the lesson, the learners will be able to what is conditional sentence, explain different kinds of conditional sentence, use conditional sentence in their real life. Observe, think and say. Heat the ice bar. It melts. There is a conditional between the two sentences. If the sentence is, if you heat the ice bar, it melts. It's a conditional sentence. The sky is cloudy. It may rain. That similar sentence. There is a conditional between the two sentences. And if the sentence is cloudy, it may rain. Now it's a conditional sentence. I will not go if it rains. Main independent clause, if conditional dependent clause. Our grammar point, a conditional sentence is a type of sentence that states a condition, and sentences are made up of a dependent clause and an independent clause. A condition is something that can only happen if something else occurs, and it almost always begins with if. Kinds of conditional sentence we can see at first in the picture. Zero conditional, first conditional, second conditional, and third conditional sentence. Zero conditional sentence. What is zero conditional sentence? If dew falls, the guest waits. Present plus present. Similarly, if I miss the bus, I am late for work. If people don't eat, they get hungry. Grammar point, if clause comes first, there must be comma. After if clause, individual word. What is conditional sentence? What is zero conditional? Kinds of conditional sentence. First conditional sentence we can see at first. If you run fast, you will get the prize. Present plus future. Similarly, if you take exercise, you will be healthy. If you run in the sun, you will be sick. If anybody rises early, he or she will get enough time to work. Structure if plus present plus future, that means past conditional. Now we will discuss second conditional sentence. If you ran fast, you would get the prize. Past plus would, use of would. Similarly, if you took exercise, you would be healthy. If you ran in the sun, you would be sick. If anybody rose early, he or she would get enough time to work. Structure if plus past conditional, that means would plus base form of verb. What is first conditional? What is second conditional? If it rains, I will go out. If she runs fast, she wins the race. Had he a millionaire, he helps the poor. We can see third conditional. If he had studied well, you would have passed. Past perfect tense and would have, should have, could have, might have plus verb a base form. Similarly, we can see third conditional sentence. If you had taken exercise, you would have been healthy. If anybody had taken exercise, he or she would have been healthy. If structure, if plus past perfect plus would have, should have, could have, might have plus past participle form of verb. Complete the following sentence in conditional form. If you go out, you will watch TV. If you hit the ice, it melts. Had he won the lottery, he would have been happy. Homework. Dear students, write 10 conditional sentences. See you next class. Thank you very much.